Hi you guys, we are back, but now I'm going to show you a little trick I do with my icing. I decided to do it with this one, so I'll tell you the ingredients for it. You're going to use 2 tubs of buttercream. Go ahead and add that in a mixing bowl. Buttercream icing. It's 1 tub. And a tub of cream cheese icing. Okay, you're also going to use 2 tablespoons of cream cheese, a half a tub of thawed out whipped topping, and like 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So what you're going to do is go ahead and mix this all together. Now you want to make sure your cream cheese is softened, so you won't have no problem with mixing this all together. This just make your icing taste better. But you know what? I separate this video so I can just show you what icing. But all you're really doing is adding a half a tub of whipped topping, 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. And your 3 choices. Well, actually, whatever kind of say if this was chocolate, I do 2 chocolates and 1 cream cheese. Whatever frosting you decide to do a cream cheese with it. So you have 2 of your regular ones. Say if you got strawberry, you have 2 strawberries and 1 cream cheese. Yeah, I'm gonna separate this video. So go ahead and make sure this is all together. Incorporate it together. It smells so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean off this area, then I'm gonna come back. Okay, this is the finished product. My icing is on there, but look at this cake. But like I said with the icings, just whatever color icing you're gonna go with, pick out 2 and mix it with a cream cheese. But if it's cream cheese, you can double it with cream cheese and just use the stuff that I told you to mix with it. Let me know how you tweak up your icing to make it taste good. Thank you for tuning in with Talessia's Kitchen. You all have a blessed day.